Even if I died in the service of the nation, I would be proud of it. Every drop of my blood will contribute to the growth of this nation and to make it strong and dynamic. All respects to Indira Gandhi for her patriotism to the nation. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. Journey of Indira Gandhi to becoming the Iron Lady of India is one that is still given as an example after many decades. And do you know that her example is one that every student must not only learn but also know in depth about? For such brave women, there was nothing a word like impossible. She had in mind only prestige of India. She has done to the fullest of her capacity for India and Indians. And this is Minakshi from class 9 standing here to present today's morning assembly. Let's bow before God and pray to give us strength, wisdom, peace, and power. Now, everybody, join your hands, close your eyes, and start prayer. And after prayer, we are Indians and have some responsibilities towards our country and its people. And the Pledge of Allegiance instills a sense of patriotism amongst us. So, for pledge, I would like to invite Shreyash from class 8th. And after pledge, every year 31st October marks the death anniversary of former Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who was the second longest serving and the only woman Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi, throughout her political life, she made the tough choices that were necessary for guaranteeing a strong secular nation. Being influenced and inspired by her parents, she rose to power in India and eventually became Prime Minister. Let's move to the next, that is thought of the day. And I would like to invite Param from class 8 to share thought of Indira Gandhi, the Iron Lady of India. Good morning everyone, my name is Param. Thought of the day is: opportunities are not offered, they must be wrested and worked for. And this calls for perseverance and courage. Thank you, have a nice day. Thank you, Param. Indira Gandhi served as the Prime Minister of India for around 15 years. Her history is perhaps one of the most popular Indian leaders in the world. With her excellent background, she is someone that people of the country look up to this day. We would be happy to know more about First Lady Prime Minister of India, and now I would request to Shaina from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Shaina. Indira Gandhi, we are definitely like to know more about her, and I would like to invite on stage Harsh from class 8 to share few interesting facts about her. Good morning everyone, my name is Harsh, and let's dive into some interesting facts about Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the only child of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru, born on 19th November 1917. Indira's life was submerged into politics almost from the year she was born in 1917, as she was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. After Lal Bahadur Shastri's abrupt death in 1966, she succeeded him as the Prime Minister. During her first term as PM, she nationalized 14 banks. She is the second longest serving PM of India after her father. She went to war with Pakistan in support of the independence movement and War of Independence in East Pakistan, which resulted in an Indian victory and the creation of Bangladesh. And these were few facts about Indira Gandhi. Thank you. Thank you very much. And after national anthem, I have lived a long life and I am proud that I spent the whole of my life in the service of my people. I am only proud of this and nothing else. I shall continue to serve until my last breath, and when I die, I can say that every drop of my blood will invigorate the nation. And that was Indira Gandhi. She was a great strategist, a nationalist, and a great patriot who worked for India's unity and integrity and dedicated her life to India's peace and prosperity. Let us learn from her life. And with this, today's assembly